Welcome. In this video, I'll be talking about the condition for 3 points to lie on a straight line. The following points are the following. So to determine the condition, there was the points. So the points are going to be 0 and a variable y1, 1, y2, 2, and y3. They must lie on a straight line. So we need to determine that. How can we determine that? We're gonna provide a condition for that. So please subscribe and comment. So in order for me to determine that the 3 points line, this 3 point line on a straight line, we need to determine collinearity. Collinearity implies that the slope between each pair of consecutive points is the same. So let's calculate the slope between 2 points. So if you remember from algebra, we have that the slope between 2 points x1, y1, and x2, y2 is given by the following formula, the slope formula. So it's gonna be the difference between the y values or the difference between the x values. So for our points, we begin with 0 y1 and 1 y2. That means that the slope for those points are going to be the difference of the y over 1 minus 0, and that's going to give us y2, y1. And the slope between 1, y2 and 2, y3 is going to be given by the following. So y3 minus y2 over 2 minus 1, that is equal to y3 minus y2. Now we're going to equate the slopes m1 and m2, because we need to determine whether those slopes are equal. For the only way is if both the slopes are equal. So we set them equal to each other. Now we can solve for y2. We rearrange the equation and we get 2y2 equals y1 plus y3. This equation provides the necessary condition for the points 0 y1, 1 y2, and 2 y3 to lie on the straight line. The reason for that is because we have the condition. This equation has the condition for the three y values of the three pairs of points. So when this condition is met, we're going to have collinearity. So this ensures that the slope between each pair of points is consistent, confirming that they lie on the same straight line. And one thing I wanted to show you that I looked at right now is that when we have the condition 2y2 equals y1 plus y3, we can solve for y2 and we are going to get y2 is equal to y1 plus y3 over 2. And for this particular case of the points that we were given, 0 y1 and then 1 y2 and 2 y3, this looks like the average. So the y2 is going to be the average of the first and the last point according to what I found for this point. So this looks like the average value of y1 and y3. That's something curious about these points that I notice right now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. See you soon.